Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified Security Specialty. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on Certified Security Specialty is: what is AWS IAM and how does it relate to security in AWS? Your answer should be AWS Identity and Access Management. IAM is a service that helps you securely control access to AWS resources. IAM enables you to manage users, groups, and permissions to allow or deny access to AWS resources. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Key Management Service KMS and how is it used in securing data on AWS? Your answer should be AWS Key Management Service KMS is a managed service that makes it easy for you to create and control encryption keys used to encrypt your data. KMS is integrated with other AWS services to provide encryption at rest and in transit. Our next interview question is: how does AWS CloudTrail help in security monitoring and compliance? Your answer should be AWS CloudTrail is a service that records API calls made on your AWS account and delivers log files to an Amazon S3 bucket. CloudTrail helps in security monitoring and compliance by providing visibility into user activity, resource changes, and API calls. Our next interview question is: explain the concept of security groups in AWS and how they are used. Your answer should be security groups act as virtual firewalls for your Amazon EC2 instances, controlling inbound and outbound traffic. They allow you to define rules to permit or deny traffic based on protocols, ports, and IP addresses. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Inspector and how does it contribute to security? Your answer should be AWS Inspector is an automated security assessment service that helps improve the security and compliance of applications deployed on AWS. It assesses the security vulnerabilities and compliance of EC2 instances and provides detailed findings and recommendations. Our next interview question is: how does AWS WAF, that is Web Application Firewall, help protect web applications deployed on AWS? Your answer should be AWS WAF is a web application firewall that helps protect web applications from common web exploits. It allows you to define rules to filter web traffic based on IP addresses, HTTP headers, and other criteria to block common attack patterns. Our next interview question is: what is the shared responsibility model in AWS security? Your answer should be the shared responsibility model in AWS security defines the division of responsibilities between AWS and the customer. AWS is responsible for security of the cloud infrastructure, while the customer is responsible for securing their data and applications in the cloud. If you are preparing for any AWS-based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.